What's up guys, and we have done it. We just hit 1 million subscribers, 5 years of grind, and most importantly, your support. I don't know how many people can actually say this, but honestly, if this is my last day on earth, I'll die as a happy man. Not that I want to die or anything, but I'm just giving you guys an idea of happiness and satisfaction that I'm feeling right now. So thank you so much for everything. I feel extremely lucky to do what I do every single day. So to all of you out there, just go for your dreams, because this is just one life. Doesn't matter if you're Dwayne Johnson or some hobo on a street. We all have limited time because death is inevitable. So there is no reason not to go for your dreams. For those of you who don't know, I'm from Pakistan and I started making videos back in 2013, back when YouTube was not famous here at all. In fact, YouTube was actually blocked here, but that didn't stop me from chasing my dreams. I also remember the days when the internet was so bad that I used to record videos in 720p HD resolution and lower the bitrate just so I can upload the video to YouTube. But things did got improved eventually, and now we have so many talented YouTubers from Pakistan. And I'm telling you this because everything is possible if you put your heart and soul into it. If you dedicate yourself, if you're consistent, then you will get successful. It's really amazing to me that my videos get watched internationally. Like, people all around the world watch my videos, whether you're from US or Canada. That's just amazing. And the fact that people put me in the same list as other great tech YouTubers is even more incredible. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for watching my videos and supporting me. Literally, without your support, I would not be here talking to you guys like I'm talking right now. So a big ass thank you. Now in this special 1 million video, I'm actually going to be doing a setup tour / room tour. Cause the last one, well, it was shot in 2016, I believe, and a lot has changed. I moved to a new place and I did some much needed upgrades. So without any further ado, here is the updated room / setup tour. Okay guys, welcome to the room. As you can see, we have the hue light madness going on. The whole room is divided into 3 parts. So this is the entertainment section. We have the work area over there, and this is the place where I normally record my videos. So first up, the entertainment area. We walk in the room and we see this. This is my convertible sofa thing, you can say. It can actually turn into a bed as well, so it's really comfortable to sit on. And right in front of it we have the heart of the room, which is this beautiful LG OLED B7V TV, the 65-inch model, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. The image quality, the gaming experience, everything is just incredible on this TV. And look at how thin it is. It is a super slim OLED madness, and also have a Xiaomi Yeelight strip installed at the back of this TV stand as well. And yeah, I spend most of the time on this couch just having a fun time. If you have the budget, then I would definitely recommend you to spend your money on a OLED TV, because nothing beats the OLED. So here I have my PlayStation 4 controller. This is obviously in a custom Need for Speed skin. Looks pretty dope. We also have the LG TV remote. LG has the best remote as well as the best tvOS in my opinion. You know, out of all the TVs that I've used, this one has the best experience of that. Then of course this is the remote for the air conditioner, because Your boy needs AC all the time. Looking inside the TV stand, we have the PlayStation 4 as well as my Samsung DeX, which I use to connect my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Down here I have my Death Note. Don't worry, it's not the real Death Note, it's just a notebook Death Note to write video ideas and stuff. Got my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 as well as my cap, which I sometimes wear, so just have it here randomly. Let's open this one up. As you can see, first up there are all of my PlayStation 4 games, so pretty much this is what I have played on the PS4 ever since I bought it. Now moving on to the work area, this is the work desk. This is where the stuff gets done, where I edit all my YouTube videos. So first up, I'm gonna talk about the chair. So this is the DX Racer chair. It's comfortable for long gaming sessions as well as long editing sessions. So it's a really nice chair. Had a really good time. And looking at the desk here, first up you can see my old 2015 MacBook Pro. This is going to be the last video I'm gonna edit on this because I just upgraded it to the 2018 Core i9 MacBook Pro with 32 gigs of RAM. This is the new upgrade. I literally unboxed it yesterday on my Instagram, if you guys follow me there. So I will be switching to it pretty soon, but at the moment I don't have the dongle. I cannot connect the SD card of my camera. I cannot hook my monitor to it, so I have to wait for that. So that's why I'm gonna edit this final video on this 2015 MacBook Pro, which is, by the way, absolutely shattered. So it's really taking its last breaths, I would say. It has served me really well. It's my first Mac OS computer. I have to say I had the best experience with the editing. I also have my Western Digital SSD hard drive connected as well because the storage is almost full, so I'm having this as the backup for the editing. Now over here, as you can see on this phone stand, I got my iPhone XS Max. My full review is coming pretty soon after a month. It's been a month almost, so it's on this stand by a company called Elixir. They make some really good cases as well. Then we have the Apple keyboard and Apple mouse. And over here I have my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as well. Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max. It's always been the latest Samsung, latest Apple. These are the two of my daily driver phones, you can say. iPhone is more like my work phone, to be honest. And on the Note, I mostly enjoy watching media because it has a non-notch display. I really like it. And this is the monitor. So this is the LG 2017 ultra wide monitor, not the latest one, but still it is pretty sharp and I have a really comfortable editing experience. Just look at the space, you know. I'm using this Anker speaker. It is ridiculously loud and it's pretty cheap. I think it costs like $50. And then I also have my AirPods on the decks. I never leave the house without these. These are absolutely amazing. I love them. Looking forward to the AirPods too as well. Have the most comfortable wireless experience. And then over here we have video desk. This is where I unbox my phones. This is where I review phones. This is where I record all my videos. So you can see the chair kind of matches the desk with that orange look. And I also have my tripod. So this is the tripod that I use. It's from a company called as Lightback. And just a free advice, always spend good money on the tripod. That's something that I realized after I wasted a lot of money. Okay, moving on, we have some awesome stuff here to look at as well. First up is the Vegito Blue, the most badass Dragon Ball character. My favorite, to be honest. This is incredible. I have this action figure here and it's leaning on my silver play button, which I got when we first crossed 100,000 subscribers. Soon we're gonna get that gold one because we just crossed 1 million subscriber, baby. Then I have the absolute badass, the coolest dragon there is. I got this from China and look at how awesome it looks. And I also have this little cat here as well, which is pretty scared of this dragon. That's why it's looking at my Vegito Blue. Then I have this really expensive Canon lens, which I actually absolutely hate. Alright, just kidding guys. This is actually a coffee mug. So it's very cleverly designed. I mean, it's really hard to tell if it's real or fake. Down here I have all my gears. So it starts with my B camera, which is the Sony a6300, which I've used for I think most of the videos on the channel. I've just switched to the Sony a7 III, which you are watching right now. And I have the G Master. This is the lens which I now use for pretty much all my videos that I've recorded in the past 2 months, I would say. Sony 50mm f1.8, the default lens that came with the Sony a6300, Sigma MC11 adapter, my Rode lapel microphone, some SD card, shoe mount converter, Zoom H5 with this shotgun capsule, my condenser microphone, the Aston Spirit, as well as the Sony a7 III extra battery, and a pop filter. And then down here we have the holy grail of smartphone madness. This is the full phone collection, I believe. So the first floor includes all the new phones, I would say. If we start off from the right, we have the brand new Google Pixel 3 XL. I'm actually going to be making a lot of videos on this. It actually just came in. The Pixel 2 XL, the old one. Then we have the original Xiaomi Mi Mix, which is not the new one. I don't know why I have that up there. The Razer Phone 1, the Huawei P20 Pro, the only phone that I have currently with the triple cameras. It's a really, really nice phone, good battery life. Galaxy S9 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, S9, Note 8, Poco phone, Poco freaking phone F1. This is a really good phone. One of a kind Samsung Galaxy S Lite Luxury in red. And we also have the best looking phone right now on the market, the Oppo Find X. Then we have the iPhone 10. This is the real one. We have the old iPhone. And we also have the iPhone dummies. These were before the launch. So we have the iPhone XR as well as the iPhone XS Max. Then we got the OnePlus 6, which is soon to be replaced by the 6D. Galaxy A9 Pro, the OnePlus 5D, the Huawei Nova 3. Pretty sweet phone here. Samsung Galaxy C8. This is the first mid-range dual camera phone from Samsung. Galaxy Note FE. Vivo Nex, another beast, I would say, full screen phone with no notch. Some in-display scanner phones from Vivo. This is the X21. This is the latest Vivo V9. And we also have the Oppo F9. This is also a really good phone. It's actually the first phone to have the Gorilla Glass 6. And has this beautiful color as well. And over here we have the iPhones, the iPhone 4S, 5S, 6, SE, 6S, 7, 7 Plus, and 8 Plus. As you can see, the headphone jack died after the iPhone 6S. Down here, this floor is the legendary floor, I would say. We have the full Galaxy S lineup, the full Note lineup, the original Galaxy S1. Check it out, it has that Google logo as well. Then we have the, we don't have the Galaxy S2 because, I did something really horrible to the S2. We're not gonna talk about that. So we have the S3, S4, S5, S6, and S6 Edge. This is the emerald green version of the Galaxy S6 Edge. I can't wait to see the emerald green color returning with the Galaxy S10. Super excited for that. Then comes the S7 Edge, S7, Samsung Galaxy Note 1, another legendary, super legendary phone, I would say. The phone that literally defines the word phablet. Note 2, Note 3, Note 4, Note 5, another Note 5, the Nexus 6P. This is in collaboration with Huawei. It has a really good build quality. It can still take some really good photos thanks to HDR plus technology, software optimization. The original Pixel is also here. Then comes the Sony Xperia X, the original model, the only Sony phone that I have right now, and the only HTC phone I have, the HTC 10. This was back in the days when HTC had this really tank build quality, so really loved this. And then the switch to glass like everybody else. So moving on, we have OnePlus 3D, the Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro, A6 Plus, A8 Plus, and then the Galaxy S8 Plus and a Nokia 6. Then some phones that cannot fit here, so I just have this random stack. This is actually a combination of Huawei and Samsung mid-range phones, and Same thing here. So these were my phones, my 5 years of legacy. Over here I have a coffee table, and inside I keep books, which I never read. Just kidding, I do read them occasionally. I got my Windows laptop, I got some more books. Another table, we have this cup, which has some pen pencil to write stuff. Down here, this is the charging station. We have all kinds of chargers and Hue bridge and boring stuff, I would say. These drawers also have the chargers and the Type-C cables and some more Type-C cables. And in here I got the charger for my Windows laptop. This bendy tripod thing is here as well, and a random Spider-Man mask. I don't know what that was doing there. This is a interesting thing that my mom gave it to me when we shifted here. This is actually my result when I was in the 2nd grade. I used to be pretty dumb. Like, check this out. National poet of Pakistan is Karachi. For those of you who don't know, Karachi is actually a city, and a city cannot be a poet. Guys, I was really bad in studies. Check this out. This is my dad saying, please keep Zaryab in front row of the class. He needs your personal attention and guidance. Like, I barely just passed these initial grades, you know. I did got better eventually. Everything did work out at the end. So I would say to all the parents out there, your dumbass child might not be a dumbass in the coming years. So over here, this is a store, and this is just full of boxes and boxes and more boxes, lights. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this a new setup / room tour video. Again, a big thank you to each and every single one of you watch my videos. Big thank you for 1 million subscribers. It's time to move on towards the next challenge, the next milestone, and conquer some more awesome stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.